Hi, welcome back to How to Fertilize Your Budget. Today we're going to look at another survey site. It's called Inbox Dollars. So go ahead and open your browser and type in www.inboxdollars.com. And the page that I have up here is what you should see. If you look over here on the right side, and I'll blow that up just a little bit, it says to create an account for free. And you'll get a $5 bonus for creating that account. You just type in your email address and create a password. Click sign me up. That's pretty easy. I'm going to go over here to my page. I have it blown up here so you can see it a little better. As you can see at the top here, it tells you how much money you've earned. This checkbox here, or check mark with a number beside it, is telling you how many surveys are available for you to do. And this button here that looks like an envelope is telling you that there is an email. Now, if I click on that, it will bring up an email page. I'm going to try to get this to where you can see it better. All right, and if you see over here to the side, it says new. When I scroll down, there's an option here that says click confirm this paid email. When I click that, it'll open the email up and it pays me 1 cent for viewing that email. It also, and see it's zero there now, it also adds onto this progress bar here. This progress bar we're going to use to spin. You spin a dial. Basically what it does is if you get disqualified from surveys, then they give you spins. And those spins, and I'm going to close out of that, those spins allow you to spin this wheel. I just clicked on survey. I went to you have spins. I'm going to click on that and show you this is Billy's spin and win. And when I spin that, it gives me options here, or it gives me winnings here, which are usually, see this green one here, there was a red one that spun around, that gives you progress on this progress bar. And now you can see it's up here on the two dollar signs instead of between the 1 and 2 it was before. There is a third one over here as well. I prefer to use the second one. I think that it doesn't take as much time to get to it, and I can't see that I get that much more money going to the third one. It's personal preference. But then once it hits that, I'm going to click on it, and you can see it says win up to $25. Your first dollar sign was win up to 10. Then win up to 100 is the third one. I do the win up to 25 and click scratch now, and then just scratch it off, and I won 4 cents. I will continue to spin my spins today. You can spin up to 20 spins a day, and you earn those spins by disqualifications on your surveys. And so I will just spin all of mine out here real quick and let it grow that progress bar. So if you watch it going across there, that's a great way to make money from disqualifications. If you're doing survey sites, you know that you're going to get disqualifications. There's just no way around it. You do a profile and you think with the profile, oh, they're only going to give me surveys that fit my profile. And that's just not the case. They bring them all up, and then you go through and you try to qualify for surveys, and sometimes you do and sometimes you don't. But I like the websites that give you something when you don't qualify, because I feel like that I'm still getting something for my effort. This one here, 5 cents, will just add 5 cents to your account. $5, I've never seen that one won. I'm trying to spin it around and see if it'll land on this 25-cent one here. And well, okay, it's over here. It didn't land on it, but it's over here. That 25 cents there that's got this little different dollar sign, looks like a coin. That, if you land on that, the next time you complete a survey, if you do it within, I believe it's 24, it might be 48 hours, they'll add an additional 25 cents to that winning. So you can see I spun all of mine out, and I'm back to between the first and second dollar sign. And my total winnings went up because I scratched off. Let's go back to the home page. On the home page, you can see over here, okay, On the home page, you can see over here that there is a question every day. Today's question is from what language did English borrow the word yacht? Now, I can guess what that is. You're not penalized for getting it wrong. You're going to get paid for doing it either way. But I use this as an opportunity to make money. So I always copy that, and then I'll open up a search bar. My search is automatically set to search from Swagbucks. Press enter here and let it search and see if it can find the answer. It may or may not. It's not always easy to find searching, but that's no different than searching for anything else. But sometimes it'll say you won Swagbucks here. I would love to get one of those to come up while I'm recording so you can see it, but I have not been that lucky yet. So if I just scroll down through here, it looks like that yacht comes from the word, from a German. It says English is a West German language. So we're going to go back over here and choose German, answer and earn. And let's see if our answer is correct. No, it was wrong. So Dutch was the correct answer, but it gave us progress on the progress bar there, even though we did not get it correct. Obviously, surveys, you can see the surveys here that allow you to click on them and complete a survey. There's also an option up here to search. You can use their website for searching and hopefully get bonus. There's videos you can play. I play them, I actually have another computer I play them on. I don't play them on this one, but I play them out every day, and they'll say you reached your maximum. When you've completed a survey, sometimes, not every time, it will say you've earned 2 times the points or progress for videos. So for 30 minutes. So the next time that you play videos, then this progress bar will move twice as fast for 30 minutes. So that's another way to get extra progress and extra money. Also games. I like to play their games. I'm a solitaire fan, so I'll play solitaire on here. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to have to make this a little smaller because I can't see it enough to play it. But I just want you to see that when you play, see where this progress bar is here? When you play, ooh, let's see if I can turn the sound off on that. Music. Let's turn the music off. There. I hope that's better. Okay. When you play solitaire, if you watch it ever so often, the progress bar up there will move, and until it gets to the point that you can scratch off another ticket. See there, it just moved. And so I like to play solitaire. I have a routine I go through doing all my surveys every day to make sure that I get as much money as I can. Some of my survey sites have minimums like the Swagbucks that I want to meet every day, or My Points has a 5 of 5 that I want to meet every day. And so I have an order that I kind of follow loosely to make sure I get all of those finished. When I've reached the point in the day that I don't feel like I have any more surveys, or at least for a while, sometimes later on the evening they'll have new surveys up, then I'll return back to the surveys. But once I've reached a point that I think I've fulfilled all the surveys I have at the time, then I'll come and play a little bit of solitaire to try to get some progress and make a little bit of money from inbox dollars. How long does it take to make money on inbox dollars? Well, if I do it every day, take care of all of my emails, play a little solitaire, I can usually manage to make $40 every other month. Now, what's the significance of $40 every other month? You have to have $30 to redeem on inbox dollars. Once you hit that $30 mark, then you can click on where at the top where I showed you that it has the there we go. I just made it enough progress on the solitaire so I can scratch again. So I'm going to scratch that again, and then I'm going to move on from this game just so you can see. So once I hit, I only have $10.97 right now, but once I hit $30 on there, then I click on that and it brings up, as you can see here, it says available earnings. It's telling me that 22 cents of that is still pending. So I could not request it at this moment if it was hitting $30. But if once you hit that $30, you click request payment, then it'll pop up and ask you, do you want to pay? There's a $3 fee for processing your payment. Do you want to process that payment, which is deducted from the $30, or do you want to attempt to make it to $40 in 30 days, and then we'll waive that fee? Now, the key to that is you have to do it pretty soon after you hit $30. Once you start increasing, then at one point, and I'm not sure what point it is, it will offer you the option of not paying the $3. So you want to be pretty good about paying attention to what your balance is. When it hits $30, go ahead and request payment. Make sure that it says that your current earnings here is above $30, which it has to be before they'll allow you to anyway. Then tell it that you want to attempt to make the other $10 or make it to $40 within 30 days, so they'll waive that $3 fee. And then once you do hit that $40, then you're going to go click on that again and go back and say, okay, go ahead and send me. I do the check. You don't have to do a check. There are other options. Another option is buying or requesting a gift card. I do not believe that they pay out to PayPal. I believe it's just gift cards that they offer. So I always ask for a check. There, of course, is refer a friend. Most of your survey sites will allow you to refer a friend. I'm not even sure what number it what type of referral it gives. If you just have to send them an email, yeah, I'm going to click on it and then send you an email and allow you to click on that. There might be a referral number. A lot of them have a number there that you can share with people. This one I don't see. So there are several different ways to make money from inbox dollars. That of course have their links to do different partners and stuff that allows you money or awards you money, like using Lyft and stuff like that. Some of them will refer you to other survey sites, but this My Deals here, it's just showing you more things that they recommend. So I guess that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at learntodosurveys@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for listening. I'm Tammy Frauenfelter, and I hope to see you again.